What's going on, guys? It's Gino here from Modern Accessory Review, and in today's video we are taking a look at the new cloud blue silicone iPhone MagSafe case. Now this iPhone case on Apple's website looked a little more whitish and more kind of like that white color that they have, and I was kind of surprised when I took this out of its package this morning. It's more of like a light blue, like sky blue kind of color, which I guess that's to be expected of its name, Cloud Blue, but on Apple's website, I'll pop it up on the screen here, it looks way more white, and I'm kind of disappointed that it is a little bit more blue, because I like this that white color as it looks on Apple's website just a little bit better. And let's actually go ahead and open this up because I want to see what it looks like on my iPhone. And I'm not totally sure if I'm going to like this light blue color or not. So let's go ahead and take a look. This little pull tab. Boom. And let's open this bad boy up. Just pull it out like so. And there's the iPhone case. Okay, it's definitely blue. It's not like a bad blue, but I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of it or not. Let's see here. I'll just pop it off like that. Just to the side. And this packaging, go away. And yeah, this is the cloud blue color from Apple. It's not like extremely blue, it's just a hint of blue. And I actually like the color, but I don't think I'm going to be using it for myself. Now the case does feel really smooth, like that silicone feel with a lot of the other cases out there that have the silicone. And actually, honestly, I almost like it more than the leather because I have a black leather case and it's gotten scratched up and it just doesn't look as nice over time. But obviously, if you do keep your leather cases in really good condition, then they will look a little bit better. But I do like the silicone cases for the durability aspect. They just hold better over time, it seems to me at least. And yeah, it's a pretty good looking case. And let's go ahead and see what it looks like on my iPhone here. Now, this is the MagSafe case, of course, and you can see the metal ring here in the middle, which is the MagSafe magnet. And then we'll pop my phone in here, just like so. And I don't know what I think about this case. What do you guys think about this case? Let me know in the comments below. I think it looks cool. It might just be a bit too blue for me. When paired with the darker color blue, the Pacific blue color that I have with my phone here, it looks a little bit more whitish. But I don't know. The buttons feel really nice. The silicone has a nice grip to it, which I really like as well. We have the speaker holes on the bottom there with the port, just like most other Apple iPhones or Apple cases. And yeah, overall, it's a pretty good looking case, and I actually really like it on this Pacific blue color that I have here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get my MagSafe wallet for you guys, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the MagSafe wallet that I have. I actually put it back in the package for you guys, because it's pretty much a brand new wallet. And it's a really cool MagSafe accessory. It's probably my favorite MagSafe accessory that Apple has. So here, this brown color looks really nice. And we also have that temporary card in there that Apple placed. There's the wallet. And let's go ahead and pop this on the phone and see what it looks like. Boom. So MagSafe detected. And yeah, looks pretty good. What do you guys think about this color? I probably would have like maybe the black wallet, or I actually do have the black wallet. And yeah, so that's what the MagSafe wallet looks like with the cloud blue color. Of course, there's all kinds of different colored MagSafe wallets as well. They have blue, they have kind of a reddish tan, they have the regular tan like I have here, they have black, And there might be another one that I didn't mention. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it about the Cloud Blue iPhone case here. And overall, I think it's a good-looking iPhone case, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm digging the Cloud Blue color or not. I mean, it looks cool, but in my personal preference, I'll probably end up getting a different color. So I'm probably going to return the Cloud Blue and maybe get the white or a tan or something like that. And I will get silicone as well. I'm not sure if they have tan and silicone, but I guess I'll find out. So that's about it for this short video, guys. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions at all, make sure to comment them down below. And with all of that being said, I hope you guys have an incredible rest of your day or night, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!